The college provided me with the lessons to raise awareness of the importance of the Welsh language, which I find it really important.
Mae'r coleg yn darparu gwersi a asesiadau dwyieithog sy'n golygu fod Cymraeg yn rhan o fy bywyd pob dydd.
So my favourite thing about learning Welsh is actually the different methods of the teaching it. Instead of just reading from a textbook that is in Welsh and you're sort of there like, I don't understand what I'm reading. Having games, as childish as that may seem, it is a very beneficial way of learning.
My lecturer is currently learning Welsh, not just to benefit him, but to help us during the future. On a weekly basis, he's bringing in new words and phrases to help us learn Welsh.
Gyda'r dysgwyr sef y staff Cymraeg gwaith, maen nhw'n cael y cyfle i ddefnyddio'r iaith yn y dosbarth ac i mewnblannu'r iaith gyda myfyrwyr Saesneg a myfyrwyr Cymraeg, ac mae'r myfyrwyr nhw yn dysgu sgiliau newydd ac mae'n neud i Cymraeg fod yn cool yn lle bod nhw'n gofod eistedd na ysgrifennu Cymraeg.
Well, it's important to offer bilingual learning because we are in Wales and we have two languages in Wales of equal importance. The services that we're offering people who live in Wales need to be bilingual, and our learners are going to have like greater job opportunities, prospects and prospects for higher education if they can speak both languages.
I think it's going to help my career because if I know Welsh, then I can speak to more people. I'm not like limited to like who I can talk to, and it's just better for people who are Welsh as their first language.
Rai o'r manteision trwy dysgu trwy gyfrwng y Cymraeg yw mae'n mynd i roi cyfleoedd swyddi a mae'n rhoi cyfle i fi dysgu Cymraeg i plant bach.
Wel, dwi'n edrych ymlaen at un diwrnod gallu actio yng Nghymru, a hefyd dwi'n meddwl bod e'n bwysig iawn fy mod i yn gallu siarad Cymraeg yn byw yng Nghymru, achos mae lot mwy o gyfleoedd i ni da cwmnïoedd fel S4C a'r BBC gan fy mod i yn gallu siarad Cymraeg.
Hoffwn ni defnyddio'r iaith Gymraeg yn y dyfodol wrth creu ffilmiau yn Gymraeg. I fi mae'n really bwysig i ddangos i bawb bod ni gyda iaith a mae'n really dda i defnyddio mewn ffilm.
My advice to anybody who was thinking about learning Welsh would be to go and give it a go. Just try and utilise what's out there. There's so much support for people who want to learn Welsh out there, so actually take it up and give it a go.